Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 12th, our word of the day is adulation. A-D-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Adulation. Adulation is a 9-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Adulation means very great admiration or praise for someone, especially when it is more than is deserved. If you've ever been to a pop concert filled with screaming fans, you've probably been exposed to adulation. Praise so over the top it's almost embarrassing. Similar words include worship, admiration, admiring, respect, idolization, adoration, deification, exaltation, flattery. Examples of sentences using adulation are: as a born performer, she loves the excitement and she loves the adulation. I get a lot of appreciation and adulation for the kind of music I create. The adulation nonetheless continued as the election drew closer. The rugby player enjoyed the adulation of his fans. His skills have brought him adulation and riches beyond belief. The book was received with adulation by critics. Make sure to save this new word, adulation, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.